Hi. This course, Parts of Speech Made Simple, by Dr. Victor G. Tevis is a series of videos discussing the different parts of speech. You're watching video 22 that discusses interjections. You may visit our YouTube channel to view other videos. An interjection is a word, or group of words, used to express a strong or sudden feeling. It denotes surprise, pleasure, anger, delight, pain, sorrow, wonder, and the like. An interjection is an independent element. It has no grammatical relation to the other parts of the sentence. Interjections usually evolve and vary from country to country. Classifications of interjections. Interjections are classified according to how they are used. A. Interjections to express feelings or emotions. Examples: oh, aha, alas, bah, hurrah, mabuhay, bonsai, gee, ouch. B. Interjections to express agreement or disagreement. Examples: amen, bravo, hurrah, woo, etc. C. Interjections to represent a sound. Examples: boom, bang, bow wow, crash, splash, blag. D. Interjections to attract attention. Examples: hello, hey, look, ahoy, hoy, listen. E. Interjections to ask a question. Examples: ha, so, no, oh. Words used as interjections. A. Nouns: attention, heavens, silence, liar, fire, thief, idiot, traitor. B. The following are pronouns used as interjections: I, us, me, he, what, she, you. C. The following are examples of verbs used as interjections: listen, come, quiet, wait, stop, run, look, go. D. The following are examples of adjectives used as interjections: nonsense, wonderful, quick, incredible, impossible, terrific. E. The following are examples of adverbs used as interjections: honestly, here, slowly, out, certainly well. F. The following are examples of prepositions used as interjections: out, inside, down, up.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of new lessons. Click the subscribe button now. Want to help me create more free courses? How about buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-Fi? Scan the QR code to visit my Ko-Fi page.